Ayan, so for today's video mga guys, we're going to cook corned beef with potatoes and string beans, and these are the ingredients that we need. So first thing is that we're going to heat the oil. Ayan, so kapag uminit na yung ating mantika, let's cook the onion. Ayan, so wala akong bawang dito kasi onion is enough. And after that, we're going to cook our potatoes as well, kasi mas matagal siyang maluto. So, yan. Halo. So, tatakpan muna natin yung ating patatas para mas lumambot. Tcharan! Ayan. So, next is that we're going to cook our string beans together with the potatoes. Halo. So, maglalagay din tayo dito ng paminta. Mas madaming paminta, mas malasa. And don't forget your salt mga guys. Salt to taste. And so, mekos ulit natin sila mga guys. Ayan. So, takpan muna natin siya mga guys. Tcharan! So, next natin ilagay is yung ating oyster sauce, kasi mas masarap siya pag may oyster sauce. Ayan. Halo. Tapos, ilalagay din tayo dito ng konting tubig para mas lalong lumambot yung ating mga gulay. Ayan. Takpan ulit natin siya mga guys. Tcharan! So, ang next natin ilalagay is yung ating corned beef. So, ang gamit ko dito is yung Argentina corned beef. Ayan. After that, let's mekos it again. Ayan. Then, tcharan! Ayan. So, I think our ulam is ready. So, thanks for watching mga guys. Try na!